Also, you use Amazon to shop variety of products that are required in your daily life. That means Amazon should have a good enough balance, right? So how do you set up auto reload in Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can set up auto reload in Amazon. Well, that's very simple. Just launch your Amazon app. Launch it. Now in this home at the bottom section there is a profile avatar. Let's select it. Now time to select your account. There, if we scroll under payments, we have manage gift card balance. Let's select it. Now there is redeem another gift card, reload your balance, and your auto reload setting as the third option. Let's select it. Now this is the page where you're gonna set up auto reload settings. Set amount, frequency, and date to auto reload when your balance gets low. If we select this, we have an amount specific to that option. Alright, once you're happy, add a credit or debit card and save your auto reload setting, and your gift card balance will stay happy sufficient. Alright, if you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.